Hello everybody, and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. Today we are making this cute yet affordable Valentine's wreath with items from the 99-cent store. Okay, we got this hoop, which we are going to wrap some of this 10-inch beautiful glittery mesh. We also got some of these beautiful greeneries. We got some beautiful roses. We got some carnation. We got some of these little daisies. We also got a piece of some ribbon, which we are making a simple bow. Got some of these white little critters. And we are working with our glue gun. We got some glue. We got some pipe cleaners. We got our scissors. We also got a piece of paper, which we are going to use with our pipe cleaners, because we are going to, let's move this out of the way, use this 99-cent little cute sign, which we are going to take all of this stuff off, and we are going to bring this back with the mesh. So I just gathered around like this, gathered around and around. You can put how much you want. Dab a little glue on there. Dab, dab, dab. Ooh, let me get my, what do you call this? Got my cuts in my fingers. I'd be playing out in the dirt. I love to play out in the garden. Yes, I do. Okay. How did I have this now? Ooh, okay, like that. So we're going to measure from here. So right here, this is where we're going to put our pipe cleaners. Dun-dun, dun-dun. Let me get a piece of little paper, which I do. Put this on there. Get that one right here. So we're going to put a dab of some glue. I'm going to get this like that. Then do it on both sides like this. Go across. Ooh, that's a little too much. This glue gun. Be careful with your glue gun, huh? Oh, this gets hot. There. And we're going to do the same for this one. Just go that way, huh? Get our piece of paper. Bam. Get that on there. There we go. Okay. Let's put that aside. Now we're gonna to let it dry a bit. We are gonna insert this cute little item on here. Watch out. Look at it like that. Turn this around, and we are just gonna attach it on. Let me see. Just attach it on. Stays on. There we go. And we got it. Let's cut off our. Let's get these on tighter, huh? Hey, cut off the excess. Ooh. Tuck these in like that. Is that good? Hey, we got it. Look at that. Now, we're going to get our greenery. Let's just get some green in here like that. Look at that. Let's get some glue on there. We're just going to stick it in back here. Look at that. The greenery going in there. We got 2 stems for each side. Let's get some more of this glue. I don't really need this on. I was thinking, Then we're going to take this over here. Get these out of the way. Some more glue on this side. that. Let's take some more. Just going right here. There we go. And we're going to take some beautiful roses. Let's get these inserted in there. Beautiful roses. I'm going to do another one on the other side. Roses. I have 2 roses on each side. Another one. Another one. Look at that. Get some of these pansies in here. Ooh. Come on. It's kind of a little too long, huh? You call these pansies? Daisies? Ooh, let me reload. Okay, let's get some more of these beauties over here. Get these in there. Look at that. Wow, look at that, everybody. Oh, this one's a little too long too. Right there. We got one on each side. Look at that. Now we got this. Uh-oh. I'm stuck to the board. That's when I need this. Yeah. Okay. Something dropped. Now we just got this cute little ribbon. We're gonna cut some little glue on it. What kind of ribbon is this? I'll just leave it like that. Got this little ribbon. We're going to get these little items on here. Get some glue. Oh, yeah. I forgot. Some of these. It's on there. There. Where's that little thing? There, and then we're going to get this cute little ribbon right up in there. And there we go. There it is, everybody. Look at this cute little, affordable little Valentine's item, and these little signs which you could decorate and put some pipe cleaners in the back, so you have a cute little Valentine's wreath. Look at that, with some pansies or daisies, roses, carnations, some little bit of greenery, and some beautiful colored mesh, and you come out with a beauty, yet affordable. Okay, once again, everybody, I enjoy being here with you guys. I hope you got some ideas or inspiration, or just enjoyed my channel. Consider pressing that subscribe button. It's free. You'll be helping my channel out. You'll also be getting a notification of my upcoming videos. Once again, thanks for watching my channel, and have a great, wonderful day. Let's get that beautiful smile on, everybody. Thanks for watching. Like and share.